Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Today I'm talking about the latest immigration ban that will go into effect at 11:59 p.m. tomorrow, April 23rd. While you're here, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of the very informative immigration videos that I have coming out soon. So earlier this afternoon, this administration signed the new executive order, and it's going to temporarily suspend immigration coming into the United States for at least 60 days, beginning again April 23rd at 11:59 p.m. The reason for this, this executive order, the administration is saying that it wants to help Americans who have lost jobs due to the coronavirus. So, about 22 million Americans are currently unemployed due to the coronavirus. They have applied for unemployment benefits. And this administration believes that halting immigration into the United States, specifically people that are trying to apply for a green card, will help American workers who have been displaced by the coronavirus. And the administration believes this will help because once you have a green card coming to the United States, you're able to work anywhere. So this administration believes that if it can stop people from coming in with a green card, then they won't be able to compete against the Americans that are currently unemployed due to the coronavirus. And so the administration believes that doing this will keep immigrants from being able to replace American workers on the workforce. So, according to the executive order, and I will include a link to that in the notes for this video in case you'd like to read it yourself. But according to this executive order that was signed earlier today, it mostly applies to people outside of the United States. So, if you're outside of the United States right now, you're trying to get in, you're trying to apply for a green card, you're trying to apply for an immigrant visa, if you do not already have a green card, you do not already have an immigrant visa, or you do not already have another travel document that enables you to come back to the United States, such as an advanced parole document, then you're not going to be able to come into the United States for 60 days. The immigration ban does not apply to you if you already have a green card, if you're trying to enter the United States on an immigrant visa as a doctor, a nurse, other essential healthcare worker that is either coming into the United States to research or otherwise work with COVID 19, whether it's coming to treat patients as a doctor, or if you're coming in to do research or somehow contribute to stopping the spread of the coronavirus or treating people that have it. This ban does not apply to you. It also does not apply to you if you are coming to the United States with an EB-5 immigrant investor visa. It doesn't apply to you if you are married to a U.S. citizen or you are the child under 21 years old of a U.S. citizen. It also doesn't apply to you if you are applying for asylum or you're applying as a refugee to come into the United States. The ban won't apply to you. The ban also isn't going to apply to you if you are trying to come in with certain categories of the special immigrant visa, or if you're in the U.S. Army. It also currently does not apply to people that are coming in with non-immigrant visas. So, for example, if you are outside of the United States and you are trying to apply for a non-immigrant visa, such as a visitor's visa or a fiancé visa or a student visa, H-1B visa, those are non-immigrant visas. Currently, this ban does not impact those types of visas. However, within 30 days, this administration can, if they want to, they plan to revisit to see if they need to expand this ban to include non-immigrant visas. They're going to look and see the impact on the economy that this current ban is having, and they will determine at that time whether it makes sense for them to extend this ban to also include non-immigrant visas. So again, this ban is valid for at least 60 days. On day 50, this administration will reevaluate and determine whether or not it needs to extend it a little bit more, if it needs to extend it beyond the original 60 days that it had intended. So, what does this mean? What can you do right now? So, again, this mostly impacts people who are not in the United States. So, if you're not in the United States and you're trying to come in, you're not going to be able to do so for 60 days, first of all. So, that means if you're in the United States already, doesn't impact you. So, if you want to qualify for a green card, you need to want to apply for a green card, you can still do that. USCIS is still open. They're just not accepting any in-person appointments right now. So you can't go in for an InfoPass appointment. You can't go in for your biometrics for like work cards. However, if you've already done biometrics, they've been using your previous biometrics, so you don't have to worry about any extended delays due to COVID-19 right now. And if you are in the United States and you qualify for a green card, I always, in all of my videos, I always say that there's no better time to apply than now. And the reason being is because of things like this. This immigration ban came somewhat out of the blue. He, tweeted something on Monday saying that this was going to happen. Kind of came out of the blue. We already have a lot of other travel bans. We've had coronavirus travel bans. We've had a lot of other travel bans that were issued this year. So people already aren't coming in anyway. So there really wasn't a need for this ban, but the fact that it's coming is why I always like to encourage people, if you qualify for a green card and you're in the United States, apply for it now, because immigration laws are getting harder, tougher, policies are changing. Immigration is getting so much harder, and it's better to just apply now while you still can. There's nothing to say that this administration won't decide at a later time to extend this ban to include people that are already in the United States applying for green cards. This administration could do that if it wanted to. So before that happens, if you're able to apply for a green card now, I would definitely recommend that you do so. If you're outside of the United States and you're trying to apply for a non-immigrant visa, such as a visitor's visa or a fiancé visa or an H-1B visa or a student visa, this ban does not affect those types of visas at this time. In 30 days, the administration can reevaluate to see if it wants to extend that ban to those visas, but at this time it does not. Although a lot of the immigration agencies abroad currently aren't really working right now due to the coronavirus. The National Visa Center, for example, and they're the ones that process the tourist visas, for example. They're currently not performing routine visa processes because they don't want to encourage people to get a visitor's visa, hop on a plane, and travel right now due to COVID-19. But as of this moment, as of the date of this executive order, non-immigrant visas are not impacted. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about this immigration ban or any of the other immigration bans, if you'd like to learn more about me and my law firm, please subscribe to this video, and also visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me and my law firm. Thanks for watching.